How to log into your Epic Games account. What is up, everybody? In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your Epic Games account. Now let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have and then click on the search bar to simply search for Epic Games, then hit enter. Now go to the first link that you see, store.epicgames.com. Once you open up the website, if you are already logged in and want to log into another account, just click right here and sign out. And then you'll be taken to the landing page of Epic Games. And once you have done that, you will just have to enter your login credentials to simply log into your account. So go ahead and click on the sign up option that you will see at the top right corner. Click on the sign in option. And once you have done that, you can just simply enter your email address that's connected to your Epic Games account. Once that is done, go ahead and enter your password. So if you don't remember your password, make sure you click on this forgot password page. And then you're going to have an option to send a recovery code on your email. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and enter my password. Or if your account is connected to any of these down here, like your PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, Google, Steam, or even Apple ID, you can use these accounts to simply log in. And once you have entered your login credentials, you should be able to log into your Epic Games account. And as you guys can see here on the top right corner, I'm able to see my username, which means that I've successfully logged in. That is it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.